Hi everyone, it's me, Grizzly. I have 3 more fantastic animal world record holders. Here's the first one. His name is Zeus. I wonder what his record is. I'm sure you'll guess. Here he is. He's the world's tallest dog at 7 foot 4 inches. Wow. Hello, Zeus. Hey, how would he get into the car? Okay, here's the next one. He's also a dog and he is very talented. His name is Purin. Here he is. Can you guess what his record is? He caught 14 mini balls in a minute. Well done, Purin. Now here's our last world record holder. Her name is Franchesca. Okay, time to guess. Are we sure it's a bunny? She has the world record longest fur at 14.37 inches. Oh, so cute. Looks more like a mop to me. That's our 3 Guinness World Record holders. Congrats to Zeus, Purin and Franchesca. See you again soon. Bye.